Ramana Maharshi Center for Learning is a non-profit registered society working now for more than 4 decades in the areas of Indian heritage awareness.
सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां रमणाय नमो नमः. Please repeat. रमणाय नमस्तुभ्यं. रमणाय नमस्तुभ्यं. रमणाय सदात्मनि. रमणाय सदात्मनि. स्वानन्दामृततृप्ताय. स्वानन्दामृततृप्ताय. रमणाय नमो नमः. ॐ नमो भगवते श्रीरमणाय. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. My own self in the form of Ramana's devotees. Brahmanishtham. See, Brahmanishtham. Satyanishtham. Tattvanishtham. Taponidhim. Veda Vedanta. Sarajñam. Veda Vedanta Sarajñam. Bhaje Shri Ramanam Muda. In all the 8 shlokas, the word Shri Ramanam continues. Here, Brahmanishtaha. See the shloka, Brahmanishtham, Satyanishtham, Tattvanishtham, Taponidhim. Ramana is described as Brahmanishtaha, Brahmaninishtaha. Always he had Aham Brahmasmi consciousness. Other than that, nothing was there. This is spontaneous, not with any effort. This is called Aparokshanubhuti. We have, I am Subrai Sharma, I am Dr. Venugopal, I am Parvatamma, I am so and so. This consciousness is spontaneous. Who are you? I am Krishnamurti. Who are you? I am Rajalakshmi. Who are you? I am so and so. Similarly, to Bhagavan Ramana Maharshi, who are you? Brahmasmi. Aham Brahmasmi. Brahmanishtaha. Without least effort, he was established in Brahman. Then Satyanishtaha. Who is Satya? Truth. Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma. Brahman itself is described as Satya. Then Tattvanishtaha. Tattva means reality. Ramana Maharshi was established in Brahman, established in truth, established in pure infinity. No second thought. Taponidhi. He was the Nidhi, treasure of tapas. What is tapas? We think tapas means closing our eyes, sitting in a cave. We should meditate on something. No, that is not tapas. Real tapas is Yasya jnanamayam tapaha. Aham Brahmasmi consciousness is the real tapas. Ramana Maharshi was established in tapas, therefore he is called Taponidhi. Tapasam nidhi. All kinds of tapas come to an end in Bhagavan Ramana Maharshi. Then Veda Vedanta Sarajñam. Many scholars think Ramana was not well versed in Vedas. Ramana did not know Vedantas. Ramana did not know Sanskrit. This is a wrong notion. Ramana was the embodiment of Vedas. Whatever Ramana says is nothing but the essence of the Vedas. Whatever Ramana has taught is the essential teachings of Vedantas. Therefore, Veda, Vedanta, Sarajñam. He was Sarajña, knower of essence. In a nutshell, he used to give all the answers, all the teachings of the Vedas. As our previous lecturer said, Nanu, he said, see, where from we have come, go there. Yellinda bandiddi ali hogo. In a single answer, all his questions were answered. So, Ramana Maharshi was the Taponidhi. Veda Vedanta Sarajñam, he knew all the Vedas, all the Vedantas. He knew the Sara, essence. Next sloka. Ajamanidramaswapnam. Please repeat. Ajam anidram aswapnam. Ajamanidramaswapnam. Anamakam arupakam. Anamaka barupakam. Advaitam paramam brahma. Bhaje Shri Ramanam Muda. Shri Ramanam, Shri Ramana Muda. Affectionately, happily, with great reverence. Aham Bhaje, I pray to him, I worship him. Who is Ramana? Ajam Anidram Aswapnam. This phrase is very desirable to Bhagavan Gaudapadacharya of Advaita Vedanta Sampradaya. Gaudapadacharya says, Anadimaya Suptaha Yada Jiva Prabudhyate Ajam Anidram Aswapnam Advaitam Budhyate Tada. When this Jiva, who is asleep in Anadimaya Nidra, wakes up by the teachings of the teacher like Bhagavan Ramana, he realizes, oh, aham, ajam, birthless, anidram, free from ignorance, aswapnam, free from wrong notion. Ajam, anidram, aswapnam is the adjectives of Brahman given by Bhagavan Gaudapadacharya. I consider Ramana Maharshi as Ajamanidrama Swapnam. Ramana is Ajaswarupa. Ramana is Anidra Swarupa. Ramana is Aswapna. Anamaka Marupakam. Can we attribute any name or form to Bhagavan Ramana? No. How can we describe the space? Space is very big. Wrong. Space is all pervading, wrong. Any epithet given to Brahman or space limits Brahman. Similarly, if you go on describing Bhagavan Ramana, he becomes limited. Therefore, Anamakam, nameless. Ramana is not a name. Ramana is Swarupa. Because Ramataiti Ramanaha. Anamakam, Arupa. Who is Ramana? Is there any form? No. Ramana is nameless, formless, timeless, spaceless, birthless and deathless. This is what Shankara says. Nirvishesham, niranjanam, nirupadikam, advitiyam brahmahamasmi. What Shankar Bhagavan has said in the Prasthanatraya Bhashyas, Ramana Maharshi experienced. What Ramana Maharshi experienced has been taught by him. We can understand Ramana as Brahma Swarupa. Anamakam Arupa. Advaitam. Advaita is not non-dual. Advaita Akara Shankara is Dvaita Dvaita Vivarjitam Advaitam. Ramana is neither a Dvaiti nor Advaiti. Beyond the concept of Advaiti and Advaiti, Advaitam Paramam Brahma. Paramam Brahma. Paramam is Supreme Brahman. What is the meaning of the word Brahman? Shankara in the Brahma Sutra Bhashya says, Brahmater dhatoho arthanagamat. Brahma means that which is second is called Brahma, secondless is called Brahman. Along with Brahman, you cannot add something else. Brahman is Advitiya Swarupa. Advaitam Paramam Brahma Shri Ramanam Aham Muda Bhaje. Next sloka, please. Please recite. Matrubhaktam Matrubhaktam Isha Bhaktam Matrubhaktam Isha Bhaktam Bhakta Bhaktam Bhakta Bhaktam Priyankaram Arunachala Rupam Shri Ramanam Naumi Bhaktitaha. With great devotion, Bhaktitaha, out of devotion, Shri Ramanam Naumi. I prostrate before Bhagavan Ramana. Offer my humble pranams at the hall of Bhagavan Ramana, feet of Ramana. Who is he? Arunachala Rupa. Not Arunachala Vasi. Not Arunachala Nishtha, but Arunachala Rupa. Arunachala himself is Bhagavan Ramana. Ramana is identified with Arunachala. Arunachaleshwara and Bhagavan Ramana are identical, one and the same. Arunachaleshwara is nothing different from Ramana Maharshi. Ramana is not different from Arunachaleshwara. Matrubhaktaha, he was Matrubhakta. He loved his mother. He was a staunch devotee of mother. Isha Bhaktaha, devotee of Isha. See, here, Vyavahara Dishti, Paramartha Dishti. So far as Vyavahara Dishti is concerned, he loved his mother. He served his mother. And Isha Bhaktaha, he was a devotee of Arunachaleshwara. Then Bhakta Bhaktaha, he was Bhakta Bhaktaha, devotee of devotees. He loved his devotees also. Any devotee can easily approach Bhagavan Ramana Maharshi at any time. Even now, if you remember Bhagavan Ramana, he loves you, he blesses you, he graces you, because he is Bhakta Paradhina. Bhakta Bhaktam Priyankaram, beloved Ramana. Arunachala, next sloka, please. Please recite. Ramanasya Ashtakam Bhaktya Pathet Yaha Prayatah Puman Sarvan Kamana Vapnoti Ramanasya Prasadataha Ramanasmaranat Pumsam Papahanihi Nasamshayah Jnana Praptischa Muktischa Nitya Shantischa Labhyate. Last sloka. Mangalam Ramanayastu Moksharupaya Mangalam Mangalam Brahmarupaya Mangalam Mangalatmane. In this way, I have described Bhagavan Ramana Maharshi